Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here today to do a CurlBox unboxing. This came in the mail yesterday. I have my CurlBox Come Clean card. And the products that I received today are the original African's Best. I happened to see this in Walmart yesterday when I was in there, but I didn't bother to pick it up. But this is what it looks like inside, and let's see what we got. The first thing we received is a coconut cream sulfate-free moisturizing shampoo. Let's see what this smells like. It smells all right. I don't know. It smells all right. It doesn't really smell like coconut. It does have a hint of coconut in it, but it also has aloe vera in it, and it's not a strong coconut smell. And the next thing I received is the Coconut Cream Restorative Conditioner. It's 100% pure coconut milk, avocados, grapeseed oil, and flaxseed oil. And that's what it looks like. And it's a loose consistency. It's not very thick at all. You can shake it. So we'll see about that. Next, I received the Coconut and Cream Leave-In Conditioner, 100% coconut milk, avocado, grape seeds, and organol. And like I said, the smell is okay. The smell is okay. It's not bad, but it's not something that I'm used to. I also received the Coconut Shine Regenerative Dry Oil. It's 100% pure coconut oil, vitamin E, and jojoba oil. Let's see if this smells the same. No, now this one actually smells good. This one smells pretty good. And I also received, okay, this is the steps on how you're supposed to use this. The Coconut Cream Collection Wash Day Regimen. Step 1 is the cleansing, and that is with the shampoo. Step 2 is to use the restorative conditioner. Step 3, you use the regular conditioner for the moisturizer. And step 4 is the oil for protection. So this is the card with all the steps on it. I also received a bonnet. And I did need another one of these, so we'll see how this works out. This is everything that I got in this collection, guys. We're gonna see how this works out. Like I said, the smell is not bad, but it's not something that I'm used to. It's not a very strong smell at all. I'd prefer for it to have smelled like coconut. Even though I don't like coconut, I do like the smell of coconut. But we're going to see how this collection works. That's all for my CurlBox. I will see you next month for the next CurlBox. Please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification button so you're notified next time I upload a video.